kitchen and it's tasty.
Bitches in that donk, piled up. Gotta keep that bandana tied up. Whip a dirty Lambo out that parking lot, graffiti on the seat because she bleeding. I don't give a fuck, I'm greedy. I don't give you truth, not worth believing. Chop the top off of that whip cause I don't give a roof or ceiling. Bottles of that brew until it suds. Throw that bitch into the crowd, watch the socket come and plug. Hands in the pit, baby boy it's on the shit. Tall cans in the fifth, yeah. 40 ounce in the fifth, that's an algorithm. 40 now and getting rich, baby how you feeling? Told you I be Willie Nelson of this rapping shit. Forget my verses and won't play none of my classic hits. You should've been there when I cared about what people thought. I been dope and it don't matter how much weight they bought. Black sheep, white boys, it ain't nothing but ironic. Ironic, I brought it, I rock it. Caught the wave like I was silver surfing Milky Wave's comets. Milky Wave with the silky wave dropping that. Slick Ricky Bobby on the song and that. Quick bitch, go get your boy some prophylactics cause I'm only fucking beats raw.
Sipping on it, thought that it was cognac. Make a pussy nervous about his life, he hypochondriac. Man, I came a long way from ounces out the laundromat. Serve a zombie something, make him wonder where's mommy at. Laundering the money cause it's written in the stars at my zodiac. All that bluffing y'all was doing, gotta show me that. Yellow wolf, young cats in the trap house. Drawing so much out the plugs, reasons why this blackout. Put the black strap inside of the Chevy box. My homie hit a kilo out the Betty Crock. Betting on myself, cut it, contemplating, trying me. They better not, I'm trying.